the most dangerous animal owned by a Saudi prince. You thought your neighbor's pit bull was scary? Try waking up next to a full-grown lion in a silk-draped palace. That is what happens with the neighbors of the Saudi royal family. In this video, let's know about the most dangerous animals owned by a Saudi prince. In Saudi Arabia, wealth doesn't just buy luxury, it buys the wild. For years, Saudi royals exercised near-limitless freedom in their private lives, including the ability to own exotic animals that most people only ever see behind reinforced zoo glass. Being a prince meant your backyard could double as a private jungle, and no one questioned it. From lions to falcons, these creatures weren't just pets. They were status symbols, living proof of royal privilege and power. Take lions, for example. Real, full-grown African lions have been spotted lounging next to Bentleys, walking palace grounds, and even sitting atop luxury cars like hood ornaments with teeth. One prince made headlines globally for filming his lion casually perched on a vehicle, unrestrained and unmuzzled. It wasn't just dangerous.